Now I'd like to replace the boiler water with you. You should do this after being away for an extended period to refill the LIGRE youn with fresh water. To do this, go to the main menu and select Maintenance. There, you will find Exchanging Boiler Water. I start the process by selecting Yes, please. Now the screen prompts me to rinse and refill the water tank with fresh water. I reinstall the rinsed and refilled water tank. Then tap Done. Now I need to place a container under the steam lance, our LIGRE foamer. I do this and confirm with Done. The boiler is now being emptied and refilled with fresh water. This takes about 4 minutes. During these 4 minutes, the old water from the boiler is rinsed via the drainage and via the LIGRE foamer, and the boiler is refilled with fresh water. Now, I remove the container and the drip tray. Be careful, the drip tray is full of water. Empty both. Reinstall the drip tray. Tap Done. Now the LIGRE youn is heating up again.